Pizza omelette recipe. Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips and suggestions how to live a healthier and a happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you are on a low-carb diet, pizza omelette has a very high-protein ingredient. It replaces high-carb pizza dough for a light and fluffy omelette base, ready for whatever healthy toppings you like. It's easy to do this simple omelette pizza. Take a look at our complete list of quick and easy recipes. Here are the required ingredients. 2 medium British Lion eggs, 85 grams tomatoes, 25 grams mushrooms, 20 grams mozzarella, 25 grams sliced mushrooms, 25 grams sliced green pepper, 15 grams sliced red onion, 2 tablespoons canned sweet corn. Cooking method. 1. Break the eggs into the jug and beat with the fork. 2. Pour the eggs into a hot frying pan and quickly swirl around the pan. Pull the mixture away from sides, using the spatula, and tip to let the uncooked eggs slip underneath. 3. When the top is nearly set, add the chopped tomatoes, sliced mushrooms, green peppers, onion, sweet corn and mozzarella. Sprinkle over the mixed herbs. Add salt and pepper to taste, if desired. 4. Place the pan under a hot grill and grill until the cheese bubbles. Serve with green salad and French bread. And there you go, serve and enjoy. Watch our other healthy lifestyle videos below and find out healthy breakfast tacos. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website healthylifestyle.com for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about health and wellness. Choose your date in the description below. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.